Blackberry Storm. Here it is. What have we done, Steve?
Created an application there.
Yes.
That you stick in.
That is.
There you see. Now show them what it can do.
Okay.
Okay. So we've replaced the radio receiver in the car with a Bluetooth receiver.
Ah, look at it go. It's good control.
Not bad.
What's this then, Si?
Well, we're in the office on a weekend to do some important work on this. The Office Grand Prix! Hey. Wow.
Ta-da!
A lot of time and effort went into that.
Lots.
Hamilton.
Look at that.
Oh,
Takes the first bend perfectly.
Good job. Oh, here comes the rain.
Hamilton in his element now. Oh no, disaster!
My fault. Speed here again. And back up again. And then actually, the crucial bit. On the right of the hill. And a ground champion! And a little crash there at the end. Oh.
So we've got an exciting comment.
Yes, from McLaren on here, look. Hello, Fast Lane Steve. Brilliant work on the track there. We'd like to talk to you about it all. Get in touch with us to discuss it further. They sent us an email and we had a little chat and they said, what do you got going with this? And the test track in Portugal! This is Ben, my new best friend.
Hi Simon.
Tell them what you've done.
So we've done what you do, but in a bigger scale really. Picked up the Bluetooth parameters to the car, hopefully with a little bit of left steer and a little bit of right steer, move. You can change up the gears and down the gears. Feasibly you could drive the car.
Oh, that's so cool. There's the man, the main man. Lewis Hamilton.